As you know, the Korean name of the drama Love Next Door is 엄마 친구 아들, which quite literally means mother's friend's son. But do you know the other meaning behind it? The term 엄마 친구 아들 is used to describe an ideal, often perfect young man who seems to excel at everything. Academically, socially, physically, manners, everything. This term reflects the pressure that some people feel when being compared to someone that seems to meet all societal expectations. It originates from the tendency of parents, particularly moms, to compare their own children to their friends' children, often praising their friend's son for an example of success. It reflects the high standards and competitive nature of Korean society, particularly in education and social expectations. And just by replacing 아들 with 딸, it becomes my mom's friend's daughter, meaning the same thing. Now you know the other meaning behind the K-drama's name.